but you didn't have to cut me off.
No. Isn't it supposed to be for the talent show? Aren't you supposed to have talent for that?
You have a point there, I guess. Well, there's some people that do have talent. They'll be in this year's talent show.
Mr. Berger and I didn't make the cut, but here are the talented acts that did. Hooney Denemies, Kuhu Verma, Jordan Steinheiser and Alex Landis, Anthony Cubbage, Mike Burns, Jimmy Yu and Ali Kaur, Alex Kohler, Christina Bear and Kevin Ellis, Zach Miller, Haley Smith and the Fragile Hearts, Vicki Finley and Juliet Shipp, Jacqueline Depew, John Richards, Jill Calhoun, Sarah Stinson and Matt Wynn, Nicole Sickle, Alina Yu, Ellen Shee, and Stephen Kang.
Congratulations to the talented acts that made the cut for this year's talent show. Make sure you stop by and see me in room D10 for some very important forms you need to fill out by the end of the week. As a reminder, the 2013 talent show presented by the North Penn SGA will be held on Friday, March 8th at 7:30 p.m. We hope to see you all there.